Yeah. I was finna write a song, but how I've been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed.
Hey guys, it is your girl Jaeshun, also known as Naturally Hair For You, back with another video. As you guys can see, your girl has some color. Yes, some color. I went ahead and just dove right in. Y'all get the picture. So, if you guys want to keep on watching to see how I got my hair to be this beautiful magenta, purple, fuchsia, orchid, whatever you want to call it, keep on watching. Also, if you didn't catch the first video on how I even got to this, because there's a whole process before getting to this, be sure to watch that video. I will go ahead and link it up above for you. So watch that video first and then come back and finish watching this. And if you want to know about how I got these luxurious curls, that video is coming next too, so be on the lookout. Later. Oh wait, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And and make sure you share with a friend. Later, guys. And we are back. I have gone ahead and sectioned off my hair. As you guys can see, it is in 4 sections. We're gonna start with the back, just because I feel like it may be easier to start that way. So we are going to start with the back, section it off, and then I'm going to introduce to you guys the products that I will be using today. Ooh, excuse me. So these products I have never used before. It is from Ion. I'm going in with the color Fuchsia, and then I'm going to go in with the Radiant Orchid. And then I'm also going to go in with the lavender. And then I'm also going to go in with azure. So I've never used any of these products before. This is all my first time. I had an idea in my head and I'm just basically hoping that it comes out the way that I wanted it to. We are also going to use this 20 volume developer. We are basically going to mix that in with the color just to get the color going. I have 2 trays that are split in half for your color options. And then I also have this brush applicator. And then I also found this Ion Color Solutions conditioner, which I'm just going to tell y'all now I absolutely love. So as you guys can see, I'm going in and putting in the product in each of the sides of the bowl. I have 4 colors, so there are 4 slots for me to place my color in. Also, I watched a couple of videos with this Radiant Orchid. That's what made me get it. The other colors, I just thought, like, you know, they may all look really good together. So that's what your girl decided to do. And also with this color, I think it's extremely wise to go ahead and put some gloves on. I also grabbed me an old t-shirt that I don't mind getting color on, or I don't mind, you know, if the color ends up staining on it. So also, you know, if you want to go ahead and do that, I think that would also be wise. So I'm going ahead and starting off with this section back here. I decided to start with the Radiant Orchid. I wanted to do like the darker color in the back and then kind of work my way up to the front and kind of like do strips of the other colors in the front. And you know, I just was honestly just doing whatever I thought would be cute once everything, you know, was rinsed out. So you guys can just keep on watching as I continue to just apply color and have a grand old time doing this process. I will say that I did start with like the applicator, but then I realized it was just easier to just like kind of run my fingers through it and, you know, apply the color that way. You're more than welcome to continue using the applicator. It works to me like more so towards the front because I can see better. In the back, it was just easier to just grab and go, and kind of, if you think of doing like a wash and go, that's the kind of, I guess that was my thought process with adding the product and everything. So go ahead, keep on watching, and I will be back. So I'm back, and by this point I have done half of the Radiant Orchid on one side, and then I did the Fuchsia on the other side. What am I doing, y'all? I really don't know. I am a person who truly just wings things, and especially when it comes to my hair, I really don't mind winging it. Hair grows back. If it doesn't work, then there's always protective styles. So let's get into the front. So right here, I am going in with the Azure, which if you don't know, that is blue. So yeah, so I did that strip with blue, and then I think the next strip I do lavender, and then the next strip after that is probably like the Radiant Orchid or the Fuchsia, and I kind of just keep on going that route, hoping that it will be cute later. But yeah, after this strip, I just go ahead and take another strip. What I did do in between time, because I was using my gloves, I had to wash my hands. Well, not like really wash, basically rinse off the gloves so that way I can use the next color, then rinse again, and then use the next color and then rinse again. So if you were wondering like if the colors ended up mixing like that, they didn't. But yeah, and honestly, like as I look at this blonde, I'm like, dang, I should have stayed blonde at least for a little while. Like, I love having blonde hair. Like, I think it's so freaking cute on me, and I just think I look bomb. Okay. So yeah, I'm going in with lavender now, and then after that, I'm gonna go in with, let's see, guys. Let's see, what do I go in with next? So actually, I did the Fuchsia and then I did lavender. This is lavender right here. But yeah, I'll be back. Continue watching. Okay guys, also be careful because the products, they really smell, so just be careful with that. Also, here's my hair. Here's the color is taken, it's doing. We got some action, and yeah, time to put on my shower cap to let this color take even more. How long did I leave it on? I want to say maybe about an hour or so. I'm not afraid of like leaving things on and like going about my business. So that's basically what I did here. And then I went ahead and washed it out and conditioned with that ion color solution that I showed you guys earlier. And we will be back. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I did a twist out on my hair. I did put some rollers on the end just to give my hair a little extra bounce. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize with this melanin hair care oil, which is my freaking fave at the moment. As you guys can see, that lavender took, that radiant orchid took. Like, y'all see the strips of color in the twist? Oh, so freaking exciting. And I have to admit though, the blue did not really take. It did not, like, it did a little something, but it didn't really do. Like, I'm not sure why or what I should have done to make the blue really take a little bit better. But I am okay with this so far. Like, I'm okay with it. Yeah, so also, if you guys want to know about like what products I use to get this twist out, to get all this good definition, I will have a video coming for you right after this one, so that way you guys can keep up with that. And I also ended up having to use my phone for this portion of the footage, so there is a little bit of a change in lighting and whatnot, but you guys, we good over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead, continue untwisting, fluff it out, and this is really where you guys get to see my hair flourish. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, if I missed out on anything within the video of, you know, showing you guys how I got this hair color, please be sure to leave them down below. Comment, let me know what you think of this hair. Tell me if you would try it. Tell me if you think it's too risky. I mean, we're here now, but I am always open to listening to you guys' opinions. So just be sure to, you know, communicate, keep in contact, you know. So with all that being said, don't forget to comment, like, and most importantly, subscribe. And even more important, share with a friend. I will catch you guys in my next video. Later.